we talk about how can you upload on your Audiomack app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app to upload on your Audiomack. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go above here, click in this sign here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you, so you just wait in. So don't click to anything here, just switching to open with you automatically. It's going to take you to your Play Store. Then you will find here Audiomack Creator Upload Music. You install it here, and here in this app here can you create from your Audiomack here on your app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.